Hi, my name is Sophia. Welcome in. If you're new to this channel, I am a mental health counselor. I am a shaman. I am a Kundalini queen. I am here on this planet to help you rise your frequency, to help you remove your traumas. This is my gift. I am an hybrid starseed. It means that my DNA is made of a lot of different stellar races. I trust that if you're here, you must resonate with the terminology chosen one, light worker, starseed, and I definitively have codes, downloads, and activation for you. I am very gifted with my voice. I chant sacred ancient frequency to align your soul, your chakra system. And most specifically, I am here to help you break these repetitive cycles, pattern you might see occurring within your entire system, trapped within your DNA, trapped with every single cells of your system. And today I am here to help you remember how a trauma, when it's not treated, when it's not considered, can ruin your abundance, your life in general, as abundance is not only money, is love, is career, it's connected to all specific area of your life. Within your sacral chakra, you carry the sexual energy, which is the creative energy. You create through your sexual energy. Everything in this entire universe is made of sexual energy. Now, the traumas are located, situated, anchored in your hips within this sacral chakra. So I'm answering right now different questions that came a lot recently. Are you capable of manifesting if you're not healed? And from my perspective, the answer is no. You can try to trick your mind using some ancient methods, but at the end of the day, you will not manifest from a loving perspective. You will not manifest from a peaceful mindset. And sooner or later, your body is going to trick you, actually. So from my perspective, you have to take care of your traumas, your souvenirs that make you feel uncomfortable, that generational curse that is trapped within your DNA. You inherited this from a past life or from a member of your family, from your lineage. All of your traumas, and I just heard dramas, that you keep repeating in your life, you just know it's toxic and you try not to see them. The thing is, they're creating your reality because they're fears, and fears is the opposite of love. So whether you manifest from love or from fears, it manifests because, again, this is the same vibration, but not at the same frequency. But for the universe, it doesn't matter. It manifests instantly also. So they wanted me to remind you that because we literally are in a very crucial moment of our incarnation. Again, for those of you, if you didn't have watched the previous video, I was talking about the help, the galactic help we have at this specific moment, special moment all around Mother Earth, and they're helping. It's Arcturian with healing chambers, his Andromedas, his Lyrian with AI Atlas. It's a lot of different stellar races. They're literally helping us to go back, I guess, through our Akashic records. They help us have the awareness of our deep traumas to be able to treat them, because we cannot take them to the new earth. So that is why they just make sure you've worked on yourself. And if you are new to spirituality, self-development, welcome. There is no such a thing that it's too late or something. The thing is, every single soul on this planet that is walking Mother Earth is going to liberate their soul, free their soul, and clear their traumas, their energy, their energetic system. I just got very interesting. This is scenario, and for me, it's literally the simulated take game that we're living in. So this is literally a video game that you designed with your soul. Your soul literally designed this scenario, this movie, this video game for the sake of your own soul to grow. So every single character, situation, that's what we call fated, you know. It's like you signed for your destiny and it's going to happen no matter what, right? But fated events are all the different scenario that can happen to achieve your destiny. So we are here on this incarnation right now to heal our trauma. It's never too late and it has to happen. You cannot bring that to the next level. The vibration of Mother Earth, I got order here. And as a divine representative of the Maha, divine justice, divine truth, divine order, divine love, we are here to clear and clean this planet for the next generation. I'm hearing for the animal kingdom. This is revenge. Some stuff are going to happen to the people that try not to respect certain rules, divine laws. It's like the karma. I'm hearing the consequences of acts is going to be more and more difficult to handle, I'll say. Because again, there is no escape. Now is the time. There is no escape. You gotta deal with your emotions, because the Most High is everywhere, is everything. And again, you cannot escape. And I wanted to say also, you have to accept it. Okay. I cannot make this up. This is the vision. This is the Sun card. This is confirmation on my phone. This is God. God right now is literally making sure, and I'm very hot right now. God is making sure you're taking this chance that the universe is offering for you to make some changes in your life. If you're interested, I am working on my new website. You can sign in directly there while I'm preparing behind the scene the most powerful healing trauma solution, 1010 healing solution. And I'm about to be the most powerful platform. Ooh, fire. Because I know how to transmute your traumas. I'm here to literally assist you, help you deal with what you've been so hesitant, I'm hearing, to work on. I am here to assist you. I'm here to help you through different sessions, masterclasses, coaches, mentorship. I'm here to take the next level. And ooh la la, this is the tower. Something is going to happen in your life and the universe is going to step in and let you know that you do not have the choice anymore. You have to go through, you have to learn new things. You have to dig, even if you don't want, even if you didn't want to take seriously this a healing journey, this healing situation. You don't have the choice anymore. It's your duty. And this is what is going to create your abundance. If you're looking for a partner in life, a wife, a husband, this is what is going to bring you there. Because again, oh my God, I love it. And peace, most definitely, this is what is going to bring peace within. After fatality, I have peace and union. I am really talking to someone out there that never manifested the one. And again, the one, the house, the career, the money, the travels, the wardrobe, whatever it is, you want to manifest through love, because it's becoming effortless. When you vibrate love means when you have successfully raised your vibration and eliminated traumas, then you're vibrating high and you're not allowing your fears, aka demons, aka attacks, spiritual warfare, to manipulate you. Right? This is the purpose. This is how you reach the peace. And when you're acting from a place of peace, obviously you attract a person in your magnetic field that resonate with who you are. Because I'm talking to someone that is bored, that is pissed from any fake relationship you've been through, because you're like, I know who I am. I know who I am. I'm very special. Where is my divine counterpart? Where is my kingdom spouse? Where is my twin flame? It starts from you. You have to vibrate this peaceful energy for your divine counterpart to hear the call I'm hearing, because your heart space, your heart chakra, is the most powerful magnet in this entire universe. So when you're ready, you're going to pull to you in ways that is not even your business to actually, oh my God, it's coming back. Peace. It's big. I shuffled again and it's coming back. You want peace. It's time to work on everything that is not allowing this peace to vibrate you, yourself. Any obstacles to that peace, it's time to cut it. I hope this message helps. If this is the case, please subscribe to my channel, as my medicine can reach the world. And until next time, namaste.